Alliance Laundry is the biggest manufacturer in the United States for commercial machines. So you can, whether it's Speed Queen, Unimac, or Hipsch, you can find those parts readily available. They do an amazing job of keeping most of those parts in stock so that we have a good supply. We certainly run our min-max levels to see that if we see a push in a volume of parts, that we make sure we try to keep that in stock for you. So when you call, we have that. Specialty parts are a little harder to find sometimes, like maybe motors, some high dollar ones that we may not stock, but we typically get it from the factory pretty quick. Majority of those parts are, again, are US based parts, so we're not having to bring them in from overseas. Some of the other brands, they certainly have those challenges where if you have a motor or something, it may need to come from Spain or Sweden or Japan or wherever. It could take a little longer to get here if it's not a real common part. Water valves, drain valves, door locks, for washers the most common, dryers, igniters, igniter wires, spark boxes, belts, and lint screens are the most common that we sell on the dryer side. And majority of the time we have that in stock for our customers if they're not any one-offs on size or a brand.